Hi guys, welcome back. Just before we get into the action of this video, I just wanted to say that this one very nearly didn't happen. I was sitting in the garden here thinking, do I go out, don't I go out? And I thought, yeah, I'll just go for a quick wander around my local farm, which is literally just over there, a 2-minute drive if that, around the corner from where I am. I thought I'd take the CZ457 with me. I'm using the HIC Micro Halpex day and night scope. I thought I'd just go for a wander around the fields. They've all been freshly cut. Might be able to pick off a rabbit or two. So off I went, got to the farm, went through the gate, and as I started driving around I spotted something in a field, and yeah, it turned out to be a pretty good session. So we'll start with this clip first and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So there we go guys, that turned out to be a pretty good trip, having a quick walk round, starting off with that fox. I just couldn't believe that, sunning himself there in the middle of the field, but yeah, his mistake really. But yeah, to bag 8 rabbits and a pigeon turned out to be a pretty good evening, and me doing this intro, outro, whichever you want to call it, yeah, this is all part of the same trip. Literally went out and I've come back and done this now. So but yeah, like I say, walking back to the car, spotted something else out in the field, so I'll leave you with this clip, and as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.